water heater right there. It says it was either put in 1969 or in 1971.
That is a new faucet right there. Remember how there used to be a cork in this thing? Oh, you can actually turn it on. Yep. Brand new Moen faucet. There we go. Now we go down. Guy's tools are still here. He had to run to a hardware store and get some PVC pipe. The release valve on it has to be run outside. See, styrofoam pedestal. $50-gallon water heater. I don't know. It looks about as big as the other one. It certainly is taller. Earthquake proof. Oh man. Boy, oh boy, look at that. New